So in this video, we will talk about that how to add vertical drop transition on your video. So as you can see, we are on the computer screen. Now first you have to add the music. Let's add some drop transition music. Uh, I choose this music and you have to add it after adding the music. Like when you realize that music is dropping, so you have to add the marker, so press the N. Duplicate this video. So that's it. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.